Well, gunshots and the sounds of just a wailing cry of pain from some animal. Just a wailing cry of pain here in the morning hours. Walking amongst nature with falling leaves. And you hear gunshots. And then like 2 or 3 minutes later, more gunshots. Now what animal is doing something that bad to warrant losing its life today? What animal? There's another gunshot. How bad is that animal for your life? How? Today. And we're not in a hunting area. This is where it gets residential over here, actually. So it's not like someone's infringing on the lawn over there. And these alligators are very harmless. Very, very harmless. I think somebody just was trigger happy today. There's a bunch of toys and wants to use them.